Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, Mr. Grayden Bird. How are you, sir?
Doing good. How are you?
Fantastic. How is spring going in your world? A lot of home improvement projects going on.
It's been crazy.
Crazy?
Crazy.
Tell me a story. Tell me a story, my son.
Weather's warming up. We've got a lot of those spring startups done. All those homeowners are happy. The grass is going to be green. They're prepping for the summer, doing home improvement all around the house, garages, their yard, doing new flower beds, getting rid of water, drainage systems, all that kinds of stuff. A lot of homeowners and I guess it starts with the homeowners. They try and do lighting on their own. And, I'll cut the homeowners a lot of slack. They're not out there digging in yards like our guys are. But they'll even have other contractors who are there, hey, can you help me put in these couple lights real quick in front of my house, path lights, up lights. And it usually doesn't turn out the best at all.
No.
It
functions.
It functions, but yeah, then they got to call into TLC and we send a crew out and they're surprised at the difference we make versus either their half-stitch effort on a Saturday where they try and get some improvements.
So they have good intentions.
Yeah.
They want to illuminate their homes.
Yeah.
They have no idea what they're doing, or they get a contractor that doesn't know what they're doing.
Yeah, they usually buy the right lights, but then they don't realize how much digging and hiding all the wires, getting that underneath the sidewalk to the transformer in the garage.
But didn't you tell me the other day you went to a couple sites and the wire was going across the driveway?
Yeah, there was one homeowner bought...
That's not safe.
I want to say about 8 lights, but yeah, there was building, like a little storage, and then the driveway went through that, and the wire was just all over the driveway. You could drive on it, walk on it, dogs could chew on it. And when that's live, it's not fun. When you see our videos, all we're shooting is the light going in the ground, and that's it. So they think, all right, light here, tie it all together, but...
Way more than that going on.
Yeah, if you want it to look like we've never been there and all of a sudden you have lights, we usually leave no trace.
Little video, to no trace. What you're saying doesn't really capture all the work and the planning and the right materials and connected together with watertight connectors.
Yeah.
And a lot goes into it. And it's the correct transformer, the correct wire size, right? There's a lot. Tell me about that new lighting timer that you saw a sample of today. We've tried it 3 or 4 houses with the Bluetooth. Tell me a little bit about that.
It's really simple, really easy. I know we were kind of back and forth on it because they've never been the best in the past. They've gotten it through enough versions now where...
This is Kichler?
Yeah, it's a Kichler brand, which ties in really well because we always use Kichler transformers, so it fits everything perfect. But it's got a little antenna on it. It's got a power button in the middle. That's the only manual, mechanical, physical stuff. The rest is all it's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled timer. So if you're in range of the timer itself, it can connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. But as long as the Wi-Fi signal is strong enough, it can reach and connect up to 250 timers on a single app, single lighting system. Now, normal homeowner doesn't need 250 timers, but
sure,
the capability is there, and it's really simple, really easy.
Our techs liking it?
Yeah.
And homeowners?
So. Yeah.
So it's really nice.
Download the app.
User-friendly then.
Yes.
Grayden, I appreciate you stopping by today, and we'll talk to you soon.
Sounds good.
This wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Stay tuned next week for another new episode.